Hi everyone, André Brazilian Shaver, aka Barba Tradicional here to show what just arrived, which is the newest release from Pro Shaving. It was released I think like yesterday or the day before. So this is their new razor, that's the Slick. It's a single edge razor and you can see it comes also with a stand. It's a simple cardboard box, and let's open it up to see what's look like. So what you can find inside, of course, is the razor. You might see here a little stuff here which says already the stand, and it comes also with some blades. So let me just take the razor out first and let's take a look. You see vertical knurling. It's a two-piece. Basically you unscrew here this this part of the bottom of the razor, and the top cap comes right off. And you can see the inscriptions here, pearl and also made in India. And you get here your top cap, and you can see here there are those, knobs here where the blade can sit, and this thing right in the middle is a magnet to help loading the razor. So you can find also here inside there are tons of blades here. The Silver Max, I don't know them, I guess they're made in India as well. And you just simply take them, this or whichever blade you might like, the DE blade, you can then snip that in half. Just take your blade, and then you see those holes here, that's where it's going to fit the blade. I find the magnet pretty useful, very easy to use. So, like it holds the blade in place, and then it doesn't come off. Yeah, and that's it basically. What then you do is, what I like to do is I like to hold, like I do like a stand with my fingers. So I like with those two fingers like this, and then you can put the screw, the top cap back there, and then you simply screw and use your thumb to hold it in place, like this. And as soon as it starts turning, you can let go. And yeah, that's easy as that to load the razor. Here you can see it with then the blade locked into position. And where's the stand? It's right here. So what you simply, there's a rubber silicone. Yeah, there's silicone here, so it won't go anywhere. And then you just it sits right there onto your den, your sink, your shelf, or wherever you store your razor. So this is it. So stay tuned for a shave with it. Very soon I'll be releasing a shave with this razor, my first shave and opinion. And yeah, that's it. That's the Pearl Sleek. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.